for me, these are highlights of our year, and this is about us community. So we've got a range of people here, from business owners of their own businesses, their support staff, employees of St James's Place, and it's about us being able to give back, have a bit of fun, learn some new skills, but just kind of take us into a different environment. But everything, this is about building social capital and community within our business.
HandsOn is a huge multicultural school. It feeds one of the most deprived areas nationally. So HandsOn is in the lowest 10%. This project massively helps our community, but also our school, in order to give children the life opportunities that they just don't get.
We're part of the West Midlands community. Our partners and advisors give financial advice in this community, and if we can give back to the community, do some good that has a wider impact, and hopefully it may inspire some of these primary school children to do something completely different, to have a go at something different, and if that's the net result of this, that some child elevates themselves and finds something different and the confidence to do something different, that's what this is about. We've achieved something special.